In this video, we'll dive into how to fix the no sound issue on your Samsung TV. Let's dive in and get your sound back. Step 1. Check if your TV is on mute. This might seem obvious, but it's worth a quick check. Simply press the mute button on your remote or increase the volume to ensure it's not muted. Step 2. Verify the audio output settings. Navigate to the TV settings menu, select Sound, then Sound Output. Ensure the correct audio output device is selected, such as TV speakers or an external sound system. Step 3. Check the external device connections. If you're using a cable box, gaming console, or other external device, make sure the HDMI or audio cables are securely connected. You can also try using a different HDMI port on your TV. Step 4. Update your TV's software. Go to Settings, then Support, and select Software Update. Follow the prompts to update your TV's software, which can resolve various issues, including sound problems. Step 5. Perform a sound test. Go to Settings, select Support, then Self-Diagnosis, and choose Sound Test. This will help determine if the issue is with the TV's internal speakers or an external device. Step 6. Reset the sound settings. In Settings, navigate to Sound, then Expert Settings, and select Reset Sound. This will revert all sound settings to their default values and might resolve any configuration issues.